What's going on, guys? So today, as the title says, I'm going to be installing the fender liners for the 8th gen Honda Civic Si. Mine is a 2011. As you guys can see, today the weather's going to be around 50 degrees. So I just finished work, so I'm going to try to knock this out the park, both sides, real quick. Definitely, guys, smash the like button if you guys really like this video. I'm going to let you guys know everything that you need to install the new fender liner. So of course you gotta get the fender liner, and the fender liner is right here, left and right, and it's the part code number, and that looks like the left passenger side, and the other one is right there, which is upside down, and that's the driver's side. So a jack, 2 jack stands, and you're gonna need a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. Take off the jack, the lock nuts, and something to sit on to take everything out. So we are going to begin right now. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2011 Honda Civic Si. Carbon fiber hood, front lip, side skirts, visors, roof spoiler, wing, rear lip, LED third brake light in the middle, and the car's on bags. But the issue that I'm running into is right here. I'm basically on turns rubbing on this little tab right here, so definitely not good. So that's why I bought new fender liners. Hopefully I don't run into the same issue again with rubbing too low. I don't think my car is that low. That's what they all say, right? But my car is not that low. Hopefully after I fix this, I should not have any issues with rubbing, hopefully. But if this happens again, YOLO, man. I'm just gonna say forget it, and we're just gonna rub in the fender liner and call it a day. But let's hope and cross our fingers this does not happen. So first we're gonna do is air the car up and make sure the emergency brake is up and the car is in first gear. Some of you guys may be wondering, why did I go with OEM fender liners compared to aftermarket fender liners? Honestly, these fender liners, these plastic fender liners that Honda make for their car is really, I would say, cheap, and they're really flimsy. So that's the reason. Instead of going aftermarket compared to OEM lasts way longer than the aftermarket parts. So most of the time I try to stick to OEM parts. Went ahead and changed my clothes. Now time to get back into it. Also, I may have a surprise for you guys tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes as planned. Surprise for you guys for come back for tomorrow's video. You guys will not be disappointed. You more than likely is going to be excited. Also, guys, don't forget the brakes behind the rear wheels so the car doesn't roll when you jack it up. Don't be like me. Please don't be like me, guys. Don't do it. So while the car's on the ground, we're going to unloose the lock nut. And you guys are probably gonna wonder and ask, have I ever did this before? Have I ever installed new fender liners? No, guys, I've never done this before. For me, I just go out there and try new things and figure it out. That's all I would do. Same thing with making videos. Try new things, figure it out, man. Fail, succeed, fail until you succeed. That's all you gotta do. So might have to hit the wheel, and boom. This is the fender liner, and you guys can see right here, this is the problem. So if you guys can see that big hole right there, that big hole, yeah, that's what she said, that big hole right there, there's a clip right here, and the clip is not holding it because it's rubbed out and I'm rubbing. So that's what happens when your car is too low and you rub out on that. So as you guys can see, there is a bunch of clips. So there's a clip here, there is a clip right here, there's another one right here where my finger is. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's one right there, and there's ones here, here. They got these two that's behind the side skirt right here. Mugen side skirts, you guys already know, OEM for life. There's this one right here, and I think that's all. And then there's one on the bottom here too. So there's some, I believe 2 right there at the bottom. So all right guys, so this is right underneath the bumper, and this is part of the fender liner. So you're going to take out only this clip. There's 2 clips right here. You're only going to take out the farthest one out. So you're going to take this clip out. There is another one that's underneath here, but as you guys can see, it's underneath, so you don't have to worry about that one. You guys can probably see that hole a little bit right there, and they have one more right here. So those are only, so we're only taking 1 and 2 clips out from down here. So let's begin. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take these clips. So we're gonna take this clip out right here that's holding this together. So this is the next one. So you're gonna stick it in between here, and okay, or you can strong arm it like I just did, and it just popped right out. So this whole piece is out. So now we got to get to the inside pieces of the fender liner. All right, so we're gonna start from the side skirt side of inside the fender liner. As you guys can see, fill-ups. Yeah, you guys are gonna run into a lot of dirt coming out of this. So, and make sure you guys please don't break these clips, or make sure you have extra clips laying around, because it's not good. Just 1, 2, 3 is out. Just one right here. And like I said guys, try not to break this one, break these clips, because I look like I'm breaking them already, man. I think I broke one already. I'm done guys. I think I broke one. Yep, so I broke one. Don't be like me. Just like that. Oh my gosh. There's one right there in that corner. So make sure you get like really in it. Stick it in all the way in, make sure it's all the way in, and then twist it like this, and it's gonna pop out like you just seen there. Boom, that's the key. Boom, another one out. All right, so there's one right here, as you guys can see. Try to finagle, get these good shots for you guys. So came out, pulls up. I think this is the last clip, and then we just rip this bad boy off, and we are good to go, man. So get in this corner, pry it out a little bit like I did there, and sometimes it's easy to just wiggle it, and it comes right out. And I think I might found something too, which I'm happy about. So it's just falling down now. This part right here where the clip broke is giving me a pain, because basically the clip is spread out and it doesn't want to come out now. Cut the clip off. So save me the trouble instead of bending the fender clip. So I just pulled this off. So little screws that you screw the Phillips in, and I'm basically breaking them. So you may have to get you an extra set of these, because there are a pain in the butt to come off. I also see like this is my demon eyes, and it looks like the driver, this little piece right here. It's kind of hard to see back here. It looks like the driver is unplugged and the other connection is right there dangling. So hopefully my demon eyes work. Let's see if the demon eyes work. Wow, blue and blue is working, but the one red is not working. But that is crazy that the connection fell out. And also I noticed that right here was rubbing out, so there's like a little hole right here. So hopefully this could be a reason why water was getting in, or maybe why my demon eyes are messed up. Fail. Okay, so on each side, as you guys can see right there on top, there's tabs. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see because it's not focusing, but there's tabs on each side. But it's really hard to get your hand behind here and squeeze those tabs. Even though with that one I did one down, one up, it's really hard to get behind there and squeeze those tabs. Low life problem. So I'm going to stick this back up in here. So try to get back in here. It's fairly easy. You just gotta align everything. And you guys could take them apart as I did there and then feed it in like that, and then push the clip in. So just like that. So I'm gonna screw this one back on. I guess key is make sure you get extra clips. You will run into issues. So I gotta get some more clips, and I gotta get the clips for the Phillips screwdriver for those two, because I broke them. And this is the part number for the Phillips screws, those twos for the side skirts. This is what fits behind there, and that's the part number. So as you guys can see, it's kind of hard to see, but you stick the screw inside there and you basically screw that in. But make sure when you guys put these clips in, you see they have those two little dimples on the edge. It looks like that. Make sure it goes in up and down and goes straight into the hole like that. Make sure it's not sideways. So one, I decided to say YOLO, and I went ahead and just pushed everything out. I did it wrong. Hopefully you guys do it right. That's why I make this video, so you guys can do it right the first time, and me. So another clip, put this clip in. So guys, all the clips are in, so I'm gonna give you guys a better view. So right down at the bottom right there, there's a Phillips screw right there, two Phillips screws right here, and behind the Phillips screw is that clip I showed you guys that I had to buy. Basically it screws into there, and there is one. So there's one in that corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5, 6, 7. The 7, the one right there, 7, 8, 9. And there's 2 at the bottom. Underneath there, 10, 11. What's up guys? So for the passenger fender liner, you would just do the same steps over to take out the old fender liner and put the new one in. Dang, I didn't expect this video to be all day, but I mean, it is what it is. By the time you finish work, you only have what, 2 hours left before it gets dark. And tomorrow I also got a surprise for you guys, so stay tuned for tomorrow, 12 p.m. I'm gonna drop the video. I have a surprise. But that's it for the video. If there's anything that you want to achieve behind your inner drive, the thing that makes you want to take a step forward and make it happen every single day. Peace guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm telling you guys don't want to miss out. You definitely don't want to miss out. So subscribe to the channel now if you're new and you don't want to miss out for what's for tomorrow. Get excited. Peace. Shout out to the Evil Street Strike fam. Definitely smash the subscribe button on the left here, and also hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Click the link right here below of the latest video that's out right now.